Mr. Anthony Dean Davis once was my best friend.
Fambo come on my house, when my little daughter get in my house, and take out him little bag, and push him little white powder upon him finger, and sniff it in front of my daughter. And then swallow 2 pills, and drink a bottle of champagne. So I look at him and tell him, say, you mash up my friendship, because you can't do that in front of the kids.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps, man, that yourself are telling the walk, go on for not to go on, you see me, so let us just kick it off with Future Fambo and Beenie Man situation first. You see me, I say, as you know, Future been mentioning Beenie for some time now, not in no good way, you see me, I say, and you know, Beenie Man, they put out a cease and desist, but that hasn't stopped Future from talking, so Beenie said, when him say I went dance the other day, you know, Future did that do some white lady nose business in front of them youths. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, and I think Future kind of confirms this. So let's hear what go on from that to go on. We proceed with the next.
My Don, my boss, but that's no more. 2 things are wrong. You see me come here house, it's an apartment deal. I said in front of your little daughter, the girl like 8 months year old, she never know. She don't know how. She 8 months. And I stress me this stress out. And you this stress out to me one day if you want some. You never know if you give. But you know you don't do drugs. I know I don't hide nothing from you. Because I'm best friend. So when I go rise up, I hide and liquor. But I do drugs no more. You understand? I can't believe, say, the king, I call my name. I never know it, I call my name. I never know it, I call my name. Glad to meet you, sir. Glad to meet you, sir. Glad to meet you, sir. 1993, I'm about 1994. 1993. We had some great times.
Okay, people, this is my take on Beenie Man talking about this now. Obviously, he's trying to sell tickets to him, some jam show, whatever festival he always keep every year for himself. You see, man says, so that's why he's bringing up Future name now, so Future can, you know, ramble and all of them good stuff there to keep them thing buzzing. You see me? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next is Okay, people, earlier, you know, we did the review. Chronic Lord bail denied, visa revoked, facing 15 years in prison. You see, we gave the reason and explanation in that, but we want to focus more on who his ops are. You see, because that's one of the reasons why him not come out. Because the feds them say because him have all of these knockers, these guns and ammunition, because him want forgot to war with him ops. Now, when we think about his apps, we just look on Malie Donn because the two was entangled in some war business a couple months ago where they was talking real reckless on the mic. You see me, I say, why for that? You see me, but yeah, take a look at what the feds them is saying now, my people. So this is why a lot of people say Malie Donn a snitch, we're a dog a snitch. But look what the people them said. They said Campbell carrying a multiple firearms and a large amount of ammunition coupled with evidence that was presenting about Chronic Law gang affiliation and repeated public exchanges and threats of violence with the rival gang members serves to establish that Campbell presents a grave danger to the community if released. You see me, I say Malie Donn. So right now, the feds are protect Malie Donn, you know, cause Chronic like dangerous, you know what I mean? And you say Malie Donn with knuckles, and if you're not a United States of American citizen or have, you know, special permission to possess or own firearms, you're going to jail too for this music video you just put on. You know what I mean? So I just want give me a quick update while I go on for that to go on your zimming. No, me see some videos going around with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel telling people about themselves and law in woman, you know what I mean? Cause I'm asking him about Sidem and all of this good stuff because she's been MIA from social media view. You see me say, months back people saying that, she a breed, so maybe the belly, sky high and she can't walk around. Or maybe, the belly not there, miscarriage or whatever. I don't know, Those are some of the things I see out there, but maybe she's planning on making her big appearance, in a couple of weeks when, Cartel and my father do the Gully Gaza thing once again over at some first with, Joe Bogdanovich them, He said, man, say, but me just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. So look out for see them at that show. Or maybe Shorty. I don't know. Anyway, people, bless.